Let's have another look at droplet computing. This time I'm going to be doing it on a Chromebook. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a file within my Chromebook that I've created, this one here, within my files. So I've created this install media file and I've downloaded a Windows executable file for 7-zip. And as you'd expect, if I try and install it, it's non-compatible and an error message comes up because it will not work. So how does droplet computing change that? So I've got droplet computing installed on this Chromebook. I'm going to launch the droplet shell, and from that I then get this view. So let me just talk you through what this looks like and what it is, what it does, and how you use it. So as you can see, I've got two applications already installed. Office 2010, and I've actually only installed Word on my taskbar, and Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer running on a Chromebook. This particular version is a version 8, as you can see. Again, for those customers who have problem applications that are legacy and won't run on Windows 10, Droplet is an ideal solution for that. And you can put it on a non-Windows operating system and forget about patches and updates. That's just one use case for Droplet. Now let's look at the Windows Explorer. So from here, I can click on my local disk, in fact, my computer. So I have my container, and I then have synced folders here from my files on my Chromebook, my hard drive, and my Google Drive. So I'm going to click on my files, and here's the same install folder that I just showed you a second ago. Double click it again. There's the 7-zip file. However, this time, because I'm accessing it inside the container, and this can be any application, I'm just showing you 7-zip for ease of use, but it can be any executable Windows file. Double click it, click run, and now the application will install. That simple. That process is identical for any application you want to put inside a container. Simply put it in my files on your device or in a Google Drive or a share file, and when you launch Droplet Computing, you can access those files inside the container. Double click it and open. Now, this 7-zip has now been installed inside Program Files /7-zip. So let's go to my local disk, Program Files. All my applications are in there, and they're 7-zip. So that's how easy it is to install the application. Now, I showed you that I have Word installed. That's just one of the Office suite that I installed. But obviously, I have all the other applications that come with that suite. So let's go back to Office 14. And now I'm going to launch and put an icon on my taskbar for Microsoft Access on a Chromebook. Okay, so again, simply double click and launch it, right click and pin it, close it back down again, and that's it gone. But I now have the icon on my taskbar, and to launch it, just simply click on it once and it opens. I can then go to a database, sign in, I can view orders, I can view suppliers, I can update information for my contacts. Same way you would in a normal Microsoft Access database on a Windows endpoint device. But as I showed you, this isn't a Windows endpoint device, it's a Chromebook. And that's the beauty of Droplet. So if you've got an application, a Windows application you'd like to access on a Chromebook natively, Droplet will do it out of the tin without any servers, hypervisors, or application packaging. If you have an application you'd like to test within Droplet, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to have a conversation and set you up with a free live trial. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Thanks very much for watching.